SNAH leads the way as house calls are making a comeback in medical care. House calls are making a comeback in medical care. Once upon a time, house calls were a standard part of medical care. The doctor would come to your home, examine you, and prescribe the treatment. This system changed in the early 20th century as hospitals became more common and doctors began to see patients in clinics and offices. What if we told you that house calls are making a comeback? That's right, medical professionals are making house calls again with the help of SNAH. The innovative software taking the healthcare industry by storm also allows patients to schedule appointments with mobile physicians. There are several benefits of this system. Improvements in accessibility for everyone. One of the main reasons house calls fell out of favor was because it became difficult to coordinate schedules. With SNAH, that's no longer an issue. Patients and medical professionals can easily schedule appointments that work for both of their schedules. This is especially beneficial for those who have difficulty leaving the house, such as the elderly or disabled. SNAH does all the heavy lifting and keeps all the data secure through blockchain technology. Mobile physicians can use the scheduling software to simplify their workday. Streamline appointments by area with GPS with block scheduling depending on the patient's level of care. For example, a family practice doctor could use SNAH to keep track of all the house calls they have in a particular neighborhood. Or, an urgent care provider could use SNAH to see all the patients they need to visit in a specific zip code. Logistical support for mobile physicians with GPS, directions, and traffic updates can make all the difference when time is of the essence. For example, if a patient needs a house call but lives in an area with construction, the provider can use SNAH to plan the fastest route. Patients aren't the only ones who can benefit from SNAH's mobile physician feature, providers can help also. This is because SNAH also offers provider benefits. Efficiencies and time management. SNAH's GPS capabilities allow providers to plan their day to see the most patients possible. Reach new patients. Mobile physicians can use SNAH to expand their reach and attract new patients. Increased patient satisfaction. Patients who receive house calls are often more satisfied with their care than those who don't. This is because they feel like their provider goes the extra mile to ensure their health and well-being. Bringing medical care directly to patients' homes can make the healthcare system more accessible for everyone. Reduced costs. Another advantage of house calls is that they can help reduce the overall cost of medical care. Practitioners can work with a smaller staff, there's no need for office space, and general overhead costs are lower. In addition, house calls can help reduce the number of unnecessary hospital visits and ER trips. This benefit alone can help save the healthcare system billions of dollars annually. Also, removing the transportation costs for patients is a huge advantage. It's another way technology and SNAH are removing barriers and making medical care more accessible to everyone. More personalized care. One of the most significant advantages of house calls is that they offer a more personalized experience. When medical professionals make house calls, they can take the time to get to know their patients and their families. They can also better understand their living situation and any barriers they may face in accessing care. This level of personalized care can help build trust between patients and their providers. It can also lead to better health outcomes as providers can catch problems early and develop a long-term plan to manage chronic conditions. SNAH Incorporated / Nothing But Us Care. SNAH's mobile physician feature is bringing house calls back to medicine. With the help of technology, we're making medical care more accessible and affordable for everyone. We're also providing a more personalized experience that can lead to better health outcomes. Schedule a mobile physician today and experience the SNAH difference. SNAH Incorporated / Nothing But Us Care.